Hey there, this quick video is going to show you how to navigate through Module 3 and to complete the activities for the week. So go ahead, starting on the Learning Modules page, go ahead and click on Module 3. Module 3 is about academic success strategies and self-management. For a detailed list on the activities you need to complete, go ahead and click on the Task List item, and that'll bring up a checklist. The checklist breaks it down step by step of all the things that you need to complete for the week. So, for Module 3, you need to watch the video lecture, you need to read the resources in the Module Resources folder, participate in the weekly discussion, which is on learning styles this week, and then you have activities that you need to complete. So go ahead, back in the module, you'll see the activities here. Of course, you have the discussion for the week on learning styles, and then you have the activities. Similar to last week when you identified your personality type, this week you're going to identify your learning style preferences. So go ahead and click on these two links. Each of these are about a 5 to 10 minute self-assessment activity where you answer a couple questions, and then at the end you're given what your learning style is. After that, we have a time management activity that you need to complete. So activity 3.2, go ahead and click on the link here that says Time Management Worksheet. Open that up, and you'll get a chart that looks just like this one here, where you have a current week, and then you also have next week. The first thing you need to do is make a list of everything that you need to do and that we would like to do for the current week. So go ahead, under the heading Things You Have to Do, type in the things that you really need to get done this week. For example, homework, feed the kids, visit grandma because it's her birthday this week, and of course you need to go to work, unfortunately. The next column, things you'd like to do. So you want to hang with your boys, you want to throw some water balloons at your neighbors, and you want to visit your friends. Those aren't things that you have to do, but they're things that you'd really like to do if you have time. Then go ahead down to the schedule and put the things that you need to do, that you have to do, in first. For example, if on Monday you're working from 9 in the morning until 5 o'clock at night, go ahead and write work from 9 to 5. Now you need to plan for your homework. So maybe you're like me and from 10 o'clock at night until 11 o'clock at night you need to complete your homework. Go ahead and type that in. But you know that you can't complete it in one night, so you're going to also do homework on Tuesday night. Right? And then you also know that you need to cram on Sunday and complete your homework. So from 7 o'clock on, you're going to be completing your homework to make sure that you have it submitted by midnight on Sunday night. Once you've completed it for the current week, go back into the course, and you'll see at the bottom you have a Module 4 preview. Right? This gives you a heads up as to what you'll need to complete next week. So go back to the Time Management Worksheet, and I want you to fill this out for next week. Things that you have to do, you know the activities for your class, right? And then things that you'd like to do. So fill this in. Once you've filled it in, you get to the next activity. What we want you to do is write an email attaching your completed Time Management Worksheet document. All right, so you can write an email to your instructor and your academic advisor. All right, the email is going to be about the first paragraph, which is how you'll get your schoolwork completed. So what times work best for you? Is it 6 o'clock at night? Is it 6 o'clock in the morning? Etc. In the second paragraph, describe how you'll make time to be a successful student. So what are you giving up? Are you giving up hanging out with your friends? Are you giving up throwing water balloons at the neighbors? What are you giving up to complete this activity? Okay, so you'll need to email it to your instructor and your academic advisor. You'll also need to submit it here. So take all that text, put it in a Word document, just like you did last week with your short paper. Right? Put it in a Word document and submit it for a grade. If you do not submit it here, you will not get a grade. So it's very important that you email it and that you submit it here. If you have any questions, ask your instructor or your academic advisor. Have a great week and good luck!